In today's fast-paced and ever-evolving battlefield, protecting troops and assets from aerial threats is more critical than ever. Enter the Mistral missile, a French-made short-range air defense system that has been a trusted guardian in numerous conflicts since its introduction in the late 1980s. Designed by Mistral Défense, now part of MBDA France, the Mistral combines advanced infrared guidance, rapid reaction times, and versatile deployment options to deliver a highly effective shield against aircraft, helicopters, drones, and even cruise missiles. Let's unpack what makes the Mistral missile system a standout in the world of short-range air defense. The Mistral missile system traces its roots back to the French SATCP program, Sol Air à Très Courte Portée, with development starting in 1974. The first version entered service in 1988, followed by the improved Mistral II in 1997, and the latest Mistral III variant introduced in 1998-2018. Over these decades, the system has evolved to meet new challenges, incorporating advanced guidance, propulsion, and warhead technologies to maintain its edge. Unlike typical man-portable air defense systems, man-pads that are shoulder-fired, the Mistral missile is designed to be launched from a structured platform. Whether a tripod, vehicle, ship, or helicopter. This setup integrates the missile launcher with sophisticated fire control and targeting systems, enhancing accuracy and operational flexibility. The Mistral missile is a compact but highly capable weapon. Length: approximately 1.88 meters, including the launch motor. Diameter: about 90 to 92 millimeters. Weight: less than 20 kilograms. Warhead: 3 kilograms high explosive with dense tungsten balls for maximum lethality. Speed: high supersonic, approximately 930 meters per second, around Mach 2.7. Range: effective interception from 500 meters up to 8,000 meters. Altitude ceiling: up to 6,000 meters, about 19,700 feet. Maneuverability: up to 30 G, capable of engaging highly maneuvering targets performing up to 9 G turns. These specs make the Mistral ideal for very short-range air defense, SHORAD. Capable of engaging helicopters, drones, cruise missiles, and fast jets attempting to penetrate friendly airspace. One of the Mistral missile's standout features is its advanced infrared IR guidance system. The Mistral 3 is the first SHORAD missiles to use a cooled IR matrix imager seeker, offering exceptional sensitivity and target discrimination. This seeker allows the missile to detect and lock onto even low signature or stealthy targets, a critical capability in today's complex threat environment. The seeker is fully passive, meaning it emits no signals that could reveal its position or be jammed by enemy countermeasures. Its sophisticated image processing algorithms can distinguish genuine threats from decoys such as flares or chaff, significantly increasing hit probability. Additionally, the missile's 3-axis maneuverability ensures precise tracking and interception, even during the terminal phase of flight, making it highly effective against evasive targets. The fire and forget capability allows operators to quickly relocate or engage multiple targets without needing to maintain continuous guidance. The Mistral missile's design allows it to be deployed across a wide range of platforms and environments. Land-based systems, mounted on tripods, or integrated into vehicle turrets, providing mobile air defense for ground forces. Naval applications. Installed on surface ships for point defense against incoming missiles or aircraft. Airborne platforms. Equipped on helicopters such as the Aerospatiale Gazelle or Eurocopter Tiger, offering self-defense and offensive air-to-air capabilities. This multi-domain flexibility makes the Mistral a versatile tool for modern militaries, capable of adapting to diverse mission profiles and threat scenarios. The Mistral system is designed for quick reaction times and operational simplicity. The missile can be fired in rapid succession, with 2 missiles launched within 5 seconds. Reloading 2 missiles takes less than 60 seconds, ensuring sustained defensive coverage. The launcher offers 360-degree azimuth rotation and elevation, aiming from -10 degrees to +50 degrees, allowing engagement of targets from any direction. Equipped with both infrared and visible thermal sights, the system functions effectively day and night. Centralized batteries provide high autonomy, enabling 24/7 readiness. Operators benefit from an intuitive interface that displays missile information directly in the thermal sight, and optional integration with command and control systems, such as MBDA's Licorn C2, enhances situational awareness and coordinated defense. The Mistral missile is built to perform in extreme environments. It is qualified for operation in temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Celsius to +71 degrees Celsius and can withstand harsh battlefield conditions without degradation in performance. Moreover, the missile boasts a 20-year maintenance-free operational life, reducing logistical burdens and ensuring long-term availability. Since entering service, the Mistral missile has been adopted by numerous countries worldwide and has seen combat in various conflicts, including the Second Congo War and the ongoing Russian invasion of Ukraine. Its proven track record in real-world operations underscores its effectiveness and reliability. The missile's ability to counter a broad spectrum of aerial threats, from slow-moving helicopters to supersonic cruise missiles, makes it a cornerstone of many nations' layered air defense strategies. In an era of rapidly evolving aerial threats, including drones, precision-guided munitions, and stealth aircraft, short-range air defense systems like the Mistral are more important than ever. They provide the last line of defense, shielding troops, critical infrastructure, and naval vessels from sudden attacks. The Mistral missile's combination of advanced guidance, high maneuverability, rapid response, and multi-platform adaptability ensures it remains a relevant and formidable asset well into the future. The Mistral missile is a shining example of how innovation, precision engineering, and combat experience come together to create a weapon system that saves lives and safeguards assets. Compact yet powerful, sophisticated yet user-friendly, it embodies the best qualities of modern air defense. As aerial threats continue to grow in complexity and diversity, systems like the Mistral will remain at the forefront of protecting forces worldwide. Ready to strike fast, strike true, and keep the skies safe. What's your take on the Mistral missile's role in today's battlefield? Feel free to share your thoughts and questions below. For more military technology insights, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, this is Truman, signing off. Stay informed and stay safe.